Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to check aadhaar update status in my aadhaar app. So to check your aadhaar update status in the my aadhaar app, follow this step-by-step app guide. So the first thing to do is to download or open the my aadhaar app on your smartphone, then log in using your registered mobile number and OTP. Then after that, navigate to the status update. So to do that, on the screen, tap on check aadhaar status, then select check update status. Then after that, you have to enter the maadhaar UR or SR number. Then after that, you have to enter your maadhaar number, which is your UID, then provide the URN, which is the update request number, or your SRN, which is your service request number you received after submitting an update request. Then after that, enter the captcha code and tap check status. Then after that, you can now view your status update. So if the update is approved, you can download the updated maadhaar app. Then if it's not, if it's still under pending, wait for further processing. And if rejected, you may need to reapply with a correct details. And that's how you can check your maadhaar update status in maadhaar app. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.